So on to problem 18 of the MIT integration big qualifying exam 2017. The definite integral from x equals to 0 to x equals to pi over 2 of 1 over 1 plus tangent to the power 2017 x. It's actually quite an easy problem. That power 2017 kind of makes it a little bit scary, but I think it's easy. So 0 to pi over 2 of 1 over 1 plus the tangent of 2017 so this is the same as the integral from x equals to 0 to x equals pi over 2 of 1 over 1 plus sine to the power 217 of x over cosine 2017 of x, right? And if you multiply both the numerator and denominator by cosine 2017 to the power 2017, we get cosine to the power 2017 x in the numerator, cosine to the power 2017 plus sine of the power 2017 x. Okay, so we have gotten there, and the next thing to do is we could say let x be equal to u to the power, x plus u to the plus pi over 2, right? And so if that is the case, then cosine 2017 x is the same as cosine u plus pi over 2 all to the power 2017, which is cosine u cosine pi over 2 minus sine pi u times sine pi over 2 all to the power 2017. This tends to 0, so we have negative sine u, because sine pi over 2 is the same as 1, and so we have negative sine 2017 u. Okay, then what about sine to the power 2017 plus pi over 2? This is the same as sine u cosine pi over 2 plus cosine u sine pi over 2 all to the power 2017. This tends to 0, so we are left with, and this tends to 1, so we have cosine to the power 217 u. So, and then the limits for x to u, when u is 0, we have negative pi over 2. When x is pi over 2, we have 0. So our problem 0 to pi over 2 of cosine to the power 2017 x over cosine 2017 x plus sine to the power 2017 x dx, and we forgot to say dx the same as du because it's just an addition of a constant. So this becomes pi over 2 negative to 0 of cosine becomes negative sine to the power u negative sine to the power plus cosine to 7 u. So let me probably rewrite that so that we can see it clearly. So we have negative sine to the power 2017 u over negative sine to the power 2017 u plus cosine to the power 2017 u du. Okay, so if we say u is equals to negative y, so du is equals to negative dy, then what that means is that plus cosine to the power 7 is equals to pi over 2 to 0. Sine of y, so negative y, if u equals negative y, that y propagates, I mean the negative sign propagates outwards, so we have positive over sine plus, so the negatives go away, so we have cosine. Cosine of a negative is positive cosine, and then du becomes negative dy. And that negative sign allows us now to flip the limits. So we have sine to the power 217 y over sine to the power 217 y plus cosine to the power 217 y dy. So what we see is that our original problem, that is the integral cosine 2017x over plus sine is equal to the same problem, but flipping, where we have cosine, we have sine of to the power 217x over the same denominator. Sorry. And so if we equate this to I, and we say 2I is equals to over plus we see that the numerators add up because the denominators are the same. So 2I will be equal to the same problem, sine 217x plus cosine 217x over cosine. And we see that the denominator is the same as the numerator, so this cancels, and this becomes 0 to pi over 2 dx, which is equals to x, 0 to pi over 2, which is equals to pi over 2 minus 0. And so 2I is equals to pi over 2, and I is equals to pi over 4. Therefore, our problem from 0 to pi over 2 of 1 over 1 plus the tangent of 2017 x is equals to pi over 4. And that is our answer.